Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.knit. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. Today I am using the Happiness Abounds photopolymer stamp set from the annual catalogue to do a 5-minute card for you. Really excited about this one because I just think it's a really stunning stamp set. So let's get started. I'm going to be using these cute little bouquet pieces for this card, and I just need a sentiment that I like, and I really like this friend one there. I think it's really cute, so I'm just going to pop those onto some blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3. I'm going to be using my memento, so I'm just going to grab a piece of basic white cardstock that is 10.5 centimeters wide by 14.85 centimeters long, so it's the same size as my card base. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the friend first. Okay, I'm going to put that towards the bottom, just there. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Stampin' Write marker. So you might have seen me do this in one of my other videos recently, and I am going to continue that line along. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself a wavy line that is 1 centimetre in. Okay, so basically draw yourself a wavy line. I've put the ruler here just as a guide, and connect that one up. Okay, again over on this side, and I'm just turning it over because I find it easier to do it, you know, this way, because I'm weird. The ruler is not on the centimetre. You can see there's a centimetre and the ruler is off it. So I'm just using the ruler as a guide so that I don't sort of come in ridiculous, and I am sort of in the right ballpark. Okay. I did this in a 5-minute card the other week with a Christmas stamp set, and I said to everybody, do you know what, I haven't done this technique in ages, and look what's happened. It's back to stay. So just line that up again, and whoo. Okay, friend. There we are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp these, and I'm going to keep them within the frame. And I'm just going to do them at random places. And they are different, so do mix the two of them around. I'm liking the look of this. I'm beginning to wish it wasn't. Oh, right, watch my head come in here just for 2 seconds. Ignore my bun. I'm just going to make that look a bit better. Yes, because I wish I had the time to colour in the background now that I'm thinking of it. A coloured in background card is looking quite appealing to me. Okay, what you can do is you could use a bit of masking tape paper or a bit of post-it notes, so you could get them that go off the side. That would be pretty cool. I'm not going to, because it's a 5-minute card, people. So I'm going to come in with light Parakeet Party. And I'm just going to do the leaves on this set so they really pop. The background, by the way, would look ultra cool with this, just saying. And what I mean by that is colouring in your flowers, which is what I'm going to do very quickly, but then colouring in the entire background but not the frame. I feel that would be lovely, but it would stop it from being a 5-minute card. There we are. And very quickly, Dark Daffodil Delight is going to do the inside bits of all these flowers, and I'm going to do all of the flowers the same colour, just because it's a 5-minute card. Haven't got all day, you know. Although my 5-minute card the other day did go a lot over 5 minutes. Shh. But I was having fun and I was enjoying myself. Okay, and the colour I'm going to go for on the leaves is going to be dark mint macaron. I don't know whether you can see, but I'm not being precious. I'm literally just applying as much colour to these flowers as possible, and I'm not covering the whole thing because, you know, 5-minute card. How many times can I say that on a video? If this was one of those drinking games, you know, people like that are on the TV, myself and my friends have something when we watch something and they say the same words over and over, or they're well known for saying the words. You know, we have, or we used to have when we were kids, still a kid, cheeky drinking games. And we'd take a sip every time they said something silly. If you were following mine, you'd be very drunk if you did it every time I said 5-minute card. Okay, keep going. Feel perhaps maybe I could have left them white. That would have probably done it in 5 minutes. I'm feeling it's now going to be, you know, a bit longer. Shh. It's very hard if you're someone like as naturally inclined as me. So this is why I started my 5-minute card series, because I thought it would actually home me in a little bit, because I do cards but I don't know when to stop. So they look beautiful like 10 minutes ago, but then I'm still going and I've over embellished it and I've overdone it and I've ruined it and it looks terrible, and I should have stopped earlier. So I thought the 5-minute card series would be good because it would show you what you can do on the hoof, you know, when you're on the go, but also it would like rein me in, which I very much need. So card base burnished and scored, card front put on there. Come on, glue. We're on 5 minutes. Come on. How's all your weeks going, by the way? I hope they're going well. Mine have been flying by recently, just flying by. Right. Pearlized enamel effects, and I'm just going to pop a couple in the corner over here. And that's it. That's my card. I'm trying to put my glue lid on my pearlized effects. There we go. What do you think? It's using the Happiness Abounds set, but I just feel these two little stamps get ignored because everyone looks at the beautiful pretty roses, which obviously you would do because they're gorgeous, first of all, and don't look at the two little posies, which are just gorgeous. So that's what I've done. Hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for staying online and not switching off after the 5 minutes. And I'll see you all again soon. Everything I've used is available to purchase from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.